Hey besties, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, my name is Lindsay. I love makeup, skincare, and hanging out with you guys. And if you're not new, I'm so sorry you guys. I have just been in the process of moving, and so I was just not able to post as many videos as I really wanted to. Hopefully this week I can get back into the swing of things and have at least like a few videos out. But in today's video, I just wanted to make sure that I got up the Boxycharm base box for the month of July. I cannot believe we are in July. I never even got to do the Luxe box from last month, so if you guys want me to do like a little short or something with those products, I can for sure do that. Everything's just been a little crazy, but if you guys are clicking on this video and you don't already know what Boxycharm is a beauty box subscription where you get 5 full-size products that can retail up to $260. In my experience as of lately, I haven't seen the total go over about $160. That's just, you know, keeping it real. That's what I have seen anyway. If you guys want to sign up, I will go ahead and link all of the makeup on my face along with a link to Boxycharm to sign up. That is affiliated, so if you use that, thank you in advance. You can also just not even go off of that link and just go boxycharm.com, and you can do it that way too, whatever you want to do. I love Boxycharm. I have been subscribed to them for the longest, and now I finally get boxes sent, which is just so amazing. But yeah, you guys, let's jump right in, starting with this month's theme. I have not opened this at all. That's always my favorite way to go about these videos. And so this is the theme card, which I love for spring and summer. And then on the back, we have all of the descriptions of every product along with their price points, which I love, and it helps me at the end so I can share with you guys the grand total of the box. And I'm just gonna kind of like put my hand in here and pull out the first thing I see, which is this from Alley Oop. This is the Stack the Odds Multi-Use Face Stacker 3 Cream Shades to Play Highlight, Blush, and Contour Compact. And I think it's really fun because Alley Oop seems to be just like this really cool, innovative brand that is multi-use. They sent a brush that I have a lot of fun with as well. It has like a bronzer brush, it has a eyebrow brush, an eyeshadow brush, a sponge. It's really freaking cute, and I do use that. So, so here is, let me see if this part, yep. So this is, I take it, the highlight right there. Give it a little swatch. That's cute. It's like a skin gloss kind of vibe, you know? It's not giving like blinding, intense pigment. It's more so just giving, like I said, like a glaze to the face, which I think there's a time and a place for that for sure, especially for me anyway, when I'm doing like minimalistic makeup. Okay, and then we have the blush right here. And that is definitely more pigmented. Super pretty. And then we have the bronzer, which I feel like that'll work for my skin tone. I'll have to kind of play with it to see. And that's also, these are really creamy, you guys. Very creamy and balmy. And that is what all of those look like. So I'm not gonna lie, I actually really love a product like this, especially for on the go, and I have nothing like this in my collection, so to me, I'm actually pretty excited about this. Then from the brand Jecca Black, we have the Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face, which I've never heard of. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it's in the shade Rose Pearl. Have you guys heard of this brand? This is what it looks like in the tube. I don't think I was expecting like a tube, to be honest, but let's see. Oh, that is like a really pretty rose gold kind of vibe. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. And then just gonna sheer it on the hand. Okay, that is very beautiful. I could definitely see people putting this under their makeup to give it that really gorgeous lit from within kind of vibe. However, I don't think I would put this all over the face. Probably just like on the cheek area and then maybe a little bit on the forehead, nothing on the chin really. So I definitely understand why they're calling this highlighting drops. I think it's super pretty. I feel like you could get the same kind of vibe from the L'Oreal, what is it called, like Lumi lotion or Glotion. I really love that product as well, but this is also very lovely. And again, you guys, of course I'd have to try it on my face, but you got a lot of product in here as well, and this product is $20, and like I said, it's gonna last a really long time. It says prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. Apply all over face using fingertips before your base. Glow drops can be worn alone or used as a buildable highlight when completing your makeup look. So yeah, I probably wouldn't use it just as highlight, but definitely in those areas that I do want to just be a little bit more juicy looking, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think this is great. I think for $20, it is gonna last a very long time because I only needed a tiny little bit. Even the Lumi Glotion I feel like isn't the most affordable, if I'm being honest. Like I think it's like $13, $14. So this isn't that far away from that. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, I really, really like this. I think it looks beautiful and I can't wait to use it under my makeup. And then product number 3 is skincare, which you guys know is my favorite thing to get in these boxes. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, which is to condition and restore. Looks like this on the outside. And can I just say, I feel like Boxycharm in this box specifically is doing a great job at incorporating products that make sense with the theme. Like I feel like a moisturizer for summer is just on par. I feel like this for summer, everyone's on vacation, everyone's traveling, so they do want that beautiful dewy 3-in-1, so it just makes sense. This too, for a glow from within with the dewdrops, also for summer, it just makes sense. So good job Boxycharm with this box. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Love the packaging. I love the color purple. It's my favorite. This is what the inside packaging looks like. That's what the cream looks like. Low-key, high-key, I wish I didn't have makeup on right now so I could apply this to the face. But let's go ahead and apply some to the hand. Oh, that feels good, you guys. That smells skincare-y. Like it doesn't smell heavily fragranced at all, which I really do enjoy. Yeah, but this feels really freaking good. Like even on my hand, I'm like, yeah, give me some more. So I cannot wait to use this. I can't wait to give you guys updates on it. If you see it in a favorites video, you'll know I really loved it. And if you didn't, you'll know that either I didn't like it or it was just so-so, you know. But I am very excited about this. Actually, I feel like Boxycharm is doing a good job with the makeup too, because right now I feel like I'm equally excited about everything. And y'all, you will never guess how much that goat milk is. I want you guys to actually comment down below what your first guess of how much it is would be, because oh my word, I'm gonna go ahead and read the description and then I'm gonna tell you. Clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin. Inspired by the relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. I always feel like I'm saying eczema wrong, but I feel like I am saying it right at the same time. But it's $76. $76 for that cream, which I don't know, I guess like I should have expected it because we've gotten a few products from the brand before and they were pricey, but I don't think I've ever seen anything be $76, which is just really freaking pricey. It's always sad too because it's like, dang, if I end up really loving this expensive behind cream and have to repurchase it, I don't know. But the next thing we have is from Beauty for Certain. It's the Whole Lotta Mascara. And doesn't she just look so cute? I've never heard of this brand either, so I'm actually getting introduced to a lot of new brands in this video. And I've never heard of the Whole Lotta Mascara either. I really love this packaging though. I love, love, love the neon. And here it is. And $32 for mascara is a little bit much for me, so I'm happy to be getting it in the Boxycharm because I probably wouldn't have bought it otherwise. The one I love from Rare Beauty, I want to say is $20, and I've also been using the Lash Snack, which I actually got in a Boxycharm. So you guys, I end up loving some Boxycharm products, which is great. I probably will repurchase that one once I'm done with it. And this is what the wand looks like, which that's an interesting wand compared to like the Lash Snack that I've been using so often. That one is like so teeny tiny. This one's a little bit thicker, which I do enjoy, and I can't wait to use it, you guys. I love mascara. I love trying new mascaras. I feel like a lot of mascaras that I do try, I end up not really liking. The one I use today is actually from e.l.f. and I feel like it's okay. But I like other mascaras better. Like, I am a little bit picky when it comes to that, so very excited to try it. It says volume boosting, lash doubling, insta enhancing. Really love that, so excited to see what it's all about. And then we only have one more product from the brand, the Beauty Crop. It's a liquid eyeshadow duo, and we just have to go ahead and open it up real quick. Okay, so it looks like there's a metallic and then a matte cream. By the way, I don't think I've tried this brand either, but these are the swatches. To be honest with you guys, that metallic shade looks gorgeous. Personally, I kind of wish we would have just got two metallic shades instead of also this, you know, creamy matte shade, just because I don't see myself using these two shades together. And like, of course you could if you wanted, but I just see myself using only the metallic side. Just to be honest, I will try to use the cream shade as maybe like a liner or something like that. But I kind of wish they would have just gave us two metallics, and that just would have made me so much more happy and excited about it. But I am really excited about this side. I mean, that shade just looks super dreamy and gorgeous. But those were just my thoughts on this product, and I'll go ahead and read the description. Dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadows. On one side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. They're easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. A double dose of fun, $18. For $18, I would totally buy this if there were two metallic shades, or maybe if there's duos where I do like the matte shade a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, I don't think this is a dud or anything. I just would have loved to have two metallics instead of just the one metallic and then the one glittery, you know, metallic kind of shade. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the total of all of these products, and I will be right back. For this month, the box is actually $184. I feel like the box is actually quite worth it in my opinion this month for sure. I really love the Alley Oop product. I'm very excited to get it on my face and also just have it for travel purposes. I do really like the dewdrops, although I do feel like there's other products out there that you could use to get the same kind of outcome. However, that shade is just really beautiful, and it is again multi-use. You could use it as highlight or as your primer if you wanted to do that as well, and in so many different ways. So those two were just really great for me. The goat milk I'm actually super excited about, and it's honestly what hiked that price up so substantially. So I'm very excited to be bougie, play with it, see how I feel. It feels amazing on my hand though, so I think it'll be really good on the skin as well. I also feel like the mascara is something to be excited about. It's $34, so it's gonna have to be really freaking amazing for me to repurchase that. I don't like to spend too much money on mascaras. Usually 20, 25 is the limit I try to stay at, just because there's so many affordable options. And then, you know, the duo eyeliner situation or eyeshadow situation, I would say that's the thing I'm the least excited about, just because, like I said, the shimmer is gorgeous. It's not the shade that I would typically go for on my eyelids though, so that's why I'm saying I'm not the most excited about it. And then the matte shade, I just don't see myself using a bunch unless it is for eyeliner. So yeah, besties, for me this box is amazing. I'm very excited about 4 out of 5 products, so that is saying something, because some of them are actually makeup and usually I just love the skincare. So yeah, besties, let me know what you thought about this box, your thoughts, if you got any of the similar items that I did, or if you got any different items, and comment what they were. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!